Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at ajbell. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ajbell was founded over 20 years ago and is one of the largest licensed investment platforms and discount brokers in the United Kingdom. This broker is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and offers a variety of products ranging from low-cost dealing accounts to retirement solutions, managed portfolios, and self-directed investing. ajbell is trusted by more than 400,000 users worldwide and was recently listed as one of the best retirement providers in the world and for providing the best investment and stock trading platforms. Joining this broker will give you access to thousands of shares, innovative savings accounts, and high-quality resources for research, education, and analysis. ajbell offers more than 2,000 unit trusts, stocks, and shares from 24 international markets, exchange-traded funds, and commodities, as well as over 450 low-cost investment trusts. All accounts can be used to invest in these instruments. However, their dealing account gives you the most control, and there is no limit on the balance of a dealing account. This broker charges custody fees for holding and managing your financial assets, and you can find more details about the fees charged by choosing one of the account types and clicking on the View Our Charges button. ajbell also offers government bonds, corporate bonds, permanent interest-bearing shares, and warrants. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with ajbell, hover your cursor over the Our Services tab and click on Investment Options under the Our Services menu. ajbell offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website. On the homepage, you will find interactive links to all the instruments, accounts, and services offered. You can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. If you need any assistance, the easiest way to reach ajbell's customer support team is through live chat, and ajbell has 2 UK-based customer service teams. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website or calling them directly. Customer support is available during business hours on weekdays and from 10 AM to 2 PM on Saturdays. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting their FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. When you recommend a friend to ajbell, you and your friends will receive one-for-all gift vouchers worth £100. To be eligible for this bonus, your friend needs to open a SIPP or ISA account and fund it with £10,000 or more. When you transfer your SIPP, ISA, or dealing account to this broker, your transfer costs will be covered, and ajbell will pay up to £35 per investment moved and up to £100 for general exit fees, up to an overall maximum of £500 per person. To be eligible, the SIPP, ISA, or dealing account being transferred must be valued at £20,000 or more, and this offer is open to both existing and new clients. If you have an existing ISA with another provider, you will be rewarded with a one-for-all gift voucher up to the value of £500. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with ajbell, as well as 3 types of accounts for children. The accounts are divided into ISAs, or individual savings accounts, SIPPs, or self-invested personal pension accounts, and dealing accounts. ajbell also offers fully digital fixed and noticed savings accounts that have competitive rates and are free to use. You can start investing from as little as £25, and a maximum of £20,000 can be invested into an ISA account. Your savings can be distributed into multiple ISAs, or you can dedicate all your funds to investing in stocks and shares. There are two types of ISAs, or individual savings accounts. The first is a low-cost stocks and shares ISA that can be used to invest in thousands of shares, investment trusts, and exchange-traded funds. If you are looking for a safe and rewarding way to save money, to buy your own property, or retire with peace of mind, you can open a lifetime ISA account. The lifetime ISA can also be used to invest in a wide range of funds, shares, bonds, and trackers. This type of account is designed for investors between the age of 18 and 39. And if you put £4,000 yearly into your lifetime ISA from the age of 18, you will get a generous £32,000 bonus, which will then be withdrawable tax-free to buy your first home or when you retire at the age of 60. ajbell also offers a dealing account and a beginner-friendly mobile application that you can use to trade an unlimited amount of shares, funds, and investment trusts online. The minimum investment for a dealing account is £500, and you can automatically set up investments of £25 using ajbell's regular investment service. We recommend this type of account for active traders who are looking for a more flexible investment solution with no limits and access to thousands of instruments. The ajbell SIPP account is a self-invested personal pension product for investors between the age of 18 and 39, and it can be accessed once you turn 55. You can sacrifice a portion of your salary and have it paid directly into your SIPP account, and 25% of your balance is withdrawable tax-free. If you have pensions anywhere else, you can combine them with your ajbell SIPP account and easily manage all your funds from one place. The stocks and shares ISA and dealing accounts have no early access penalties. The SIPP and lifetime ISAs can only be accessed at maturity. You also have the option of opening a fixed savings account or a noticed savings account, and these accounts are covered by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, covering up to £85,000 per bank. These savings accounts are free to use and offer competitive rates, with interest rates higher than 5% if you lock in your funds for 5 years. In addition to these accounts, you can open a SIPP, ISA, or dealing account to give your child a head start in life. Up to £2,880 can be put into a junior SIPP annually. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions ajbell offers, click on the Our Services tab and choose an option from the Our Accounts menu. The ajbell mobile application offers a sophisticated interface that allows you to easily manage your accounts and monitor your portfolio from one place. Using this application, you will have access to updated news feeds and market insights, and you can buy and sell a variety of instruments directly from the application. The ajbell mobile application can be downloaded for free from Google Play or the Apple App Store, and it can also be connected to your Apple Watch and iPhone devices. To download the mobile application, hover your cursor over the Our Services tab and click on Mobile Dealing Application and Devices. ajbell also offers an intuitive investment application called Doodle. This application makes it easy for new investors to build a portfolio, and you'll be accompanied by Doodle monsters throughout your investment journey. Each Doodle monster has a different color and purpose. The red monster will guide you and educate you. The green monster will give you technical support and investment ideas. The orange monster will help you monitor the performance of your portfolio. And the blue monster will keep you updated with market insights. We highly recommend using Doodle if it is your first time investing, but this application can be used by anyone. Professional financial advisors can use the ajbell Invest Center platform to manage client accounts, segment and allocate investment strategies in bulk or individually, and link portfolio models to each account. This platform offers a great selection of tools and resources for reporting, market and cash management for all professional advisors. As a professional advisor, you will have access to ajbell's dedicated customer support team, retirement portfolio services, ajbell's multi-asset funds, managed portfolio services, and more. To learn more about the platforms and applications you can use with ajbell, hover your cursor over the Our Services tab and head over to the About Us page. Creating an account with ajbell may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the ajbell homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Choose your preferred account, and after you have chosen the account for you, complete the online application form. Next, verify your account and email address, and then you can log in to the client portal. A minimum deposit of £500 is required to open an account with ajbell, and you can fund your account using pounds. To pay into your account, you can do so by debit card or pay directly from your bank account, and the deposit will be processed instantly. To do this, just log in and select Single Payment. Once your account is approved, head over to the client portal to start building your portfolio. As a trader or investor, having access to reliable resources and trading tools is a key factor of success. ajbell provides over a dozen free guides that you can download from the website. These guides cover topics such as investing for beginners, managing risks, using the accounts offered, and more. You'll also find a glossary that you can use whenever you come across any unfamiliar financial terms. If you open an ajbell account and maintain a balance of £4,000 a week or more, you will get exclusive access to digital copies of Shares Magazine every week. Shares Magazine provides investment ideas, expert analysis, financial advice, in-depth reporting on market events, and reliable news updates. So you'll need less time to do all the research and have more time to invest. ajbell has won many international awards over the years. And in 2022, they received awards for the Best Retirement Provider, the Best Platform, the Best Provider of the Year, City of London Wealth Management Awards awarded for the Best Execution-Only Stockbroker, and the ADVFN International Finance Awards in the category of Self-Select ISA Provider of the Year. Overall, what we like most about ajbell is that this broker offers many types of accounts, free educational resources, and an intuitive mobile application. The ajbell Dodal application is also a great way for first-time investors to start building their portfolios. And if you're a professional investor, then you'll have access to a variety of tools and services to manage your client accounts with confidence. ajbell has been around for over 2 decades and is one of the most trusted investment platforms in the world. Whether you're saving for your retirement or a new home, or looking for a multi-purpose account that you can use to save and trade, then ajbell is our top choice for you. ajbell has a good reputation, seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. And that is our overview of ajbell. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.